Man, what's up, everybody? Hopefully y'all having a good Sunday. It's kind of it's a cloudy, a little bit of a chilly Sunday for me here in Lincoln, Nebraska. But you know what? I'll take the chilliness. Got my new jacket on. I just got this. It's called a Tour Master something. It's super nice because it has a liner inside that I can actually remove. So on days where it's blazing hot, I don't have the excuse anymore of it's so hot I'm not going to wear my jacket. I know there's a lot of people on my last video commenting on, well, you're a beginner, why don't you have a jacket on and all this stuff. Listen, normally I have my jacket on. I've just been really bad and making excuses when it's 100 degrees outside not to wear a jacket. So we got this new jacket. I definitely will be wearing this all of the time now. Anyways, man, real quick, I want to make a video saying thank you. My last video absolutely took off. Y'all went crazy. Y'all went absolutely stupid. I checked this morning and we were at 10,000 views. 10,000. That's a 10 with 3 zeros. That is so cool to me, man. And the amount of people that subscribe from that video, I truly appreciate it. So this video, I really want to talk about, one, first and foremost, I want to say thank you for all the love and support. But second, I want to talk about some things that I've really been kind of processing and trying to come up with for this channel. You know, I have a couple of ideas, and at the end of the day, this channel is not just my channel, if that makes sense. This channel is our channel. You know, I want to build a community here. Riding with G isn't just about riding with me. In particular, it's about having a community that rides all over the world. And I think there's something special about that. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna close my yapper here. We're gonna do a little bit of riding. If you're new here, man, you know the drill. You know the drill already. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and shit, you're already there. Hit the subscribe button. Man, I love y'all. 200 subscribers. We out here. Peace. You know the vibe. You know, first and foremost, before we jump in this video, if you're out riding today, if you've been out riding this weekend, you out riding this week, make sure you ride safe. You know what I'm going to tell you. Watch out for the crazies behind you. Watch out for the people that just be on their phones, not giving a damn about your life. But man, 200 subscribers, huh? Y'all been going absolutely crazy. This community that we're building, this foundation that we're building right now on this channel is just insane. And I seriously cannot thank each and every single one of you enough. The last video, if you haven't seen it, I'll put it up in the corner. Make sure you go check it out. But you guys have been going crazy on that video. The likes, all of the love and support in the comment section, the amount of subscribers, like I can't even fathom the fact that the video has 10,000 views. You know, I've said this since the beginning. I never expected anything out of making this channel. I love riding. This is a passion of mine. And I felt like it was kind of a neat idea to document my passion, you know? Throw the GoPro on and make some content. And here we are. And I'm happy as can be, baby. This has been so much fun. But for real, man, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for 200 subscribers. Thank you so much for just showing this channel, showing our community the love and respect that you guys have been showing lately. You know, with that being said, man, I really want to take this time to kind of talk about my plans for this channel. You know, some things that I've thought about as essentially, you know, potential ways that we can grow the community even further. Yeah, I mentioned this in the intro, man, and I really do mean this. Riding with G, riding with Gab isn't about just riding with me specifically. This channel is about building a community all over the world of riders, right? So although the channel name is Riding with G, it's not just about me, man. And so part of that is I feel there's a responsibility on my shoulders to continuously find ways to bring our little community together. So what I'm going to do is, you know, I'm going to sit here, I'm going to rattle off some ideas. This video is not scripted. To be honest, none of my videos are scripted. I just get on the bike and talk about whatever the hell I want to talk about. One thing that I think would be super beneficial to our community is having a Discord server. I have no idea what the hell the Discord server is gonna be called, or really all the intricacies I don't know, but what I do know is having a Discord server would be such a great idea, because I know there's a lot of new riders that have found my channel. I know there's a lot of experienced riders that have found my channel. And so having a place where we can all come together, talk about our experience. For my beginners, we can ask questions. For, you know, my more veteran, my more seasoned riders, you have an opportunity to help out and kind of voice your expertise to some of us beginners. I think that would be so beneficial for each and every single one of us and the community. You know, of course, aside from just being an informative Discord server, I'd want to do a lot more. You know, obviously, if you found my channel, and especially if you've subscribed, you've subscribed because there's something about motorcycles that intrigues you. Whether you own a motorcycle, whether you are looking at purchasing a motorcycle, whatever the case may be, I know it's not my pretty voice. Let's get a bar real quick. And so I want to have this Discord server to bring us all together, just take that next step forward and really just kind of create this community. We could post pictures of our bikes, you know, if you have a particular bike that you just got, or maybe you just love your bike, you've had it for, well, whatever the case may be, man, it doesn't matter. But it's just a place where we can all post pictures of our bikes, maybe talk about some mods that we want to do, maybe talk about potential bikes, you know, that we're really considering as next purchases. I think something like that would just be really great. So that's one thing I've really been thinking about. The next step in us really growing this community is I need to create a schedule, right? You guys have been showing me so much love, so much support over the past 3 videos that it's only right that I continue to put out good content. And what that means to me is quality videos. What that means to me is I'm not getting on my bike just talking about random shit. You know, there's a purpose, right? There's something that maybe I can take away from the video, that you can take away from the video. That's what I want. But then the third thing is a schedule. I think it's only fair to myself, to the love of making videos and putting out content for you guys, and it's only fair to you that there's a schedule I can follow. That way, you know, you guys have something to look forward to. And for me, I'm just a schedule kind of person. You know, I rely pretty heavily on my schedule in my work life. So, you know, I think it would be very beneficial. Now, one of the things that, no one do it, don't do it. One of the things that I have to mention is, you know, as much as I wish I could sit here and put out a video every single day for you guys, one, I'm afraid that the quality won't be as good as what I personally want out of my videos, right? But two, I just don't have the time, man. I really don't. You know, I work a 9 to 5, and honestly, it's many days more than that. And so it can be a little difficult for me to feel as if, you know, I can commit a couple hours every single day to recording a video, and then you have to keep in mind, I have to edit the video, right? I love this bike, man. So much fun. So with that being said, I really do think once a week is what I'm going to shoot for. And for whatever reason, it seems like Sundays are my day. Sundays are, of course, a day where I don't work. But then on top of that, something about recording on Sundays is just fun. Unless it's days like this, and then we have this kind of weather. But nah, man, I think Sundays will be good. I think I can commit myself to making and putting out one video per week on Sundays. More than likely, the routine is this. I'll record the video on Sunday and put it out Sunday afternoon / Sunday evening. I'm Central Time, so how about I make a deal with y'all, right? 9 p.m. Central. That's when my videos will come out on Sundays. 9 p.m. Central. For whatever time zone you're in, do the mathematics, right? Get the calculator out. Figure out what time that is for you. But 9 p.m. This will keep me kind of disciplined. You know, I don't feel as if it's my job, it's what I want to just post videos whenever I feel. We have something special here. We have a special community. And that's evident in the love and support that you guys have been showing me, right? So let's just take this next step forward. I'm gonna start working on the Discord server. I think that's a big one. One thing I'm really excited for about the Discord servers is the fact that we can all get in a voice chat together. And we can just chop it up. You know, talk about motorcycles, talk about life. There was so many people commenting on the last video that they were in Lincoln, Nebraska, that they were in Omaha, Nebraska, or they were somewhere in Nebraska. For you individuals, for the individuals that have found my channel, and you're in Nebraska, oh man, we're doing group rides, baby. But for all my Nebraska folks, once this Discord server's up, and we can get, you know, the community in there, right? Keep an eye out for a group ride. That's absolutely gonna happen. Again, man, thank you. Thank you so much for all the love and support lately. I don't know what exactly I can do to repay each and every single one of you, but just know that I greatly appreciate it. I think once we hit 500 subscribers, we're doing a giveaway. Giveaway of what? Well, that's a great question. We could do a riding jacket in your size. We could do a helmet in your size. I mean, shit, we could even do a GoPro, right? Maybe get you a whole little setup. So if you want to start moto vlogging, for the individual that wins this giveaway at 500 subscribers, hey, we can make sure that you're set up with everything you need. There's so many ways that I want to give back to each and every single one of you that I will continuously work on. So with that being said, man, I need me a Red Bull. I need some caffeine in my life. If you're new here, you know the goddamn vibes. Hit that like button. Drop a comment. Let me know if a Discord server is something that you'd be interested in joining. If it's something that you think would benefit the channel. And I'm out here, baby. If you're out riding this week, man, ride safe. Take care of yourself. Make sure you wear your gear. Don't be a goofy goober like me, and just because it's so high, you don't wear your gear. Don't do that, man. I love y'all. Have a great week. I'll see you next Sunday, baby. Peace!